If your sewing looks messy, uneven, or just not how you expected, I want you to know right now it's not your fault. Most beginners are making the same small mistakes, and once you know what to look for, they're actually very easy to fix. Relatable setup. You sit down ready to sew, you're excited to finally get started, and then something goes wrong. Your thread starts bunching, your machine won't sew, or your stitches look completely off. And now, instead of enjoying it, you're frustrated and confused. Here's the truth. Sewing is not hard, but it can feel hard when you don't know what's causing the problem. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common beginner sewing problems and show you exactly how to fix them step by step in a very simple way. Problem sections. Problem 1. Feeling overwhelmed. If you feel overwhelmed before you even start, you're not alone. Why this happens? This happens because there's too much information and no clear starting point. The fix. Focus only on the basics, which is your machine, straight stitching, and simple fabric. Problem 2. Machine won't sew. If your machine won't sew at all, don't panic. This is usually something very simple. Many beginners accidentally leave the machine in bobbin winding mode or skip threading a step. Why this happens? This often happens when the machine is in bobbin winding mode, the thread is not set up correctly, or the needle isn't fully inserted. The fix. Turn the machine off, check your bobbin winder, and rethread the machine from the beginning. Also, check that your needle is fully inserted. Problem 3. Fabric not moving. If your fabric isn't moving, your machine may actually be working, but something small is stopping it. Why this happens? This happens when the presser foot is up or the feed dogs are lowered, so the machine can't grip the fabric. The fix. Make sure your presser foot is down and your feed dogs are up. These are what moves your fabric through the machine. Problem 4. Thread bunching. If your thread is bunching under your fabric, this is one of the most common beginner problems, and it usually means your machine is not threaded correctly. A lot of beginners don't realize that even missing one small step while threading can cause this. Why this happens? This usually happens when your machine is not threaded correctly, especially if the thread didn't go through all the guides or the presser foot was down while threading. The fix. Remove your fabric, cut the thread, and rethread your machine completely with the presser foot up. That step is very important because it allows the thread to sit correctly inside the machine, then test it on scrap fabric before continuing. And you want a simple way to fix it fast? I put together this beginner sewing fix-it guide. It shows you what's going wrong and how to fix it step by step. Now, before we move on, let's do a quick check together to make sure your machine is set up correctly. The presser foot is up. Follow the numbered thread path. And the needle is threaded. If all these are set correctly, you're already ahead of most beginners. Problem 5. Fabric getting stuck. If your fabric gets pulled into the machine at the start, this is very common for beginners. Why this happens? This happens when you start sewing too close to the edge and the machine can't grip the fabric properly. The fix. Hold your thread tails and start slightly away from the edge. Remember to click the subscribe button for more beginner-friendly sewing tips and tutorials. Problem 6. Thread breaking. If your thread keeps breaking, your machine is under stress. Why this happens? This happens when the machine is threaded incorrectly, the tension is too tight, or the thread quality is low. The fix. Rethread your machine, lower the tension slightly, and check your needle. I'm not broken. Most of the time it's just how I'm threaded. Problem 7. Needle breaking. If your needle is breaking, it's often because the fabric is being pulled. Why this happens? This usually happens when the fabric is being pulled or the needle is not inserted correctly. The fix. Let the machine move the fabric naturally and make sure your needle is inserted correctly. Problem 8. Skipped stitches. If your stitches look uneven or skipped, your needle is usually the issue. Needles wear out faster than most beginners expect. Why this happens? This happens when the needle is dull, bent, or not the right type for your fabric. The fix. Replace your needle and make sure you're using the right one for your fabric. For beginners, cotton fabric and a universal needle works best. Beginner sewing confidence boost. I want to pause for a second to remind you of something important. If your sewing isn't perfect right now, that's completely normal. Every beginner goes through this stage. What matters is that you're learning what to look for, and that's how you improve. Problem 9. Crooked lines. If your lines are not straight, it's usually not your skill. It's where you're looking. Why this happens? This usually happens because you're watching the needle instead of the edge of your fabric. The fix. Instead of watching the needle, watch the edge of your fabric and use the guidelines on your machine. Sewing and cutting moments. Okay, it's now time for a mini quiz. Quick question. If your thread is bunching under your fabric, what's the first thing you should check? A. Needle. B. Threading. Or C. Fabric. The answer is B. Threading, and this is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Problem 10. Uneven stitches. If your stitches look uneven, you may be sewing too fast. Why this happens? This usually happens when you're sewing too fast or not guiding the fabric evenly. The fix. Slow down and let your machine guide the fabric. Sewing becomes much easier when you know what to look for. Most problems are simple once you understand what's causing them. If you want a simple guide that tells you how to fix these problems so you won't have to guess, you can grab it below.